Hello, hello, hello. This Balance of Nature product is a fiber and spice dairy supplement with no synthetics. It is a powder and it's got a little scooper inside. This can be added to water, milk, juices, teas. I mean, I guess you could do it in coffees as well. And it has cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, fennel, cardamom, cumin, fenugreek, I don't know what that is, coriander, clove, allspice, mustard, and nutmeg. And it says here it's 50 calories per serving. 2 scoops is 1 serving size, and there's 30 servings per container. But yeah, it has 29% dietary fiber, 8 grams of fiber, 40 milligrams of calcium, 9 milligrams of iron, and 9 total grams of carbohydrates. So yeah, as far as for dietary needs, yes, this is a very useful product. You can really smell all of the spices when you even open the lid. You can really smell the ginger right off the bat. But here's the scoop size right there. You can also smell the cardamom and the cinnamon pretty good as well. I would say that this would be best mixed in a juice, like a orange juice, or if you do smoothies, that would be ideal, is to incorporate this in a smoothie. Because trying this with water, no. It semi-hides in acidic juices like orange juice and grapefruit juice. But I think that for your best bet for this product to be easily eaten flavor wise is to go ahead and pop this baby into a smoothie. Smoothies are a little on the thicker side, so it just seems like it's more appropriate. I will look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below. If you've ever tried this fiber and spice, let me know how it worked for you. It definitely will help keep you regular, that is for sure. And if you have not tried this product, does it sound like a product that would be something you would be willing to try? Because if you're looking to get regular, fiber and spice it, I tell ya. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.